Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. The recipe I will be making is a popular Filipino appetizer. Shrimp fritter or okoy is usually served with a side of vinegar. Chop the ends off and cut in half. Clean out the seeds. When choosing a green papaya, look for ones that are unripe and hard. Begin peeling your papaya. With this recipe, I will only be using half. It's good for 2 to 3 servings. You can use whole papaya or you can save it for other dishes like tinola. Slice your papaya into thin strips. If you don't have a mandolin, you can also use a grater. Use a paper towel to catch the excess moisture. Cut and peel your onion, slice into strips. Squeeze the onion strips with a paper towel to remove the excess moisture. Now prep your shrimp by cutting off the horn and legs. You can put clean shrimp into a paper towel to remove excess water. Remove the paper towel from the papaya. Add your onions, salt, pepper, and cornstarch. You can add more if needed. Coat your shrimp with cornstarch. Heat your oil to medium-high heat. I prefer to use peanut oil for deep frying for its ability to reach high temperatures without smoking, and it will pick up less oil without compromising the taste. You can also use canola oil or vegetable oil. Add a layer of papaya to a strainer spoon and start forming the okoy. Add shrimp. Add another layer of papaya to cover the shrimp. Start frying your okoy. Let it fry in the strainer spoon for less than a minute or so. Detach your okoy from the spoon and fry for a minute each side until evenly cooked. It will take about 3 to 4 minutes to cook. When your okoy is cooked, dry off excess oil in a paper towel. Then start plating. Served with spiced vinegar. I hope you like watching this video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.